Welcome to LifeLapse 101, where I teach you everything you need to know about creating professional looking stop motion videos on a budget using your phone in our app LifeLapse, which you can download for free on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. We're going to cover everything from lighting, DIY home studio, tripod hacks, animation styles, editing techniques, and so much more. All right, let's dive in. The key for any lighting, no matter if you're using household light or you have professional gear, is never stand in front of the light. So something I always do is if I have my light here set up and it's back here, let's say my tripod is here, I'll always go in from this side. The blinds would be closed, so that wouldn't be a light source. And I would do my animating from this side, because as soon as you start shifting the light and changing the exposure, which is what will happen if you stand in front of the light, it's going to cause shadows which equal flicker. So no to flicker. There's so many things that can cause flicker, and this is one of them. The second thing that controls shadows is the type of lighting that you have. So if you haven't watched our module on hard versus soft light, I recommend that. But as you can see here, we have the light directly pointed at the source, and there's really harsh shadows. And then when you point it up, it's diffused. So it's more of that cloud look. There's less shadows. So if you want harsh shadows, then point your light source directly onto your products. Whereas if you are trying to avoid shadows, then you want to diffuse light. So point it to the ceiling or to a whiteboard that points towards your scene. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube and social media so you can be the first to know when we release new tutorials.